everyone. What a wonderful day. SMF MMTs. And why was it wonderful? Because it's always wonderful. There's not a day that it shouldn't be wonderful. And what makes it wonderful, MMTs, is when they teeny down, one teeny, two teenies, okay? And when they go up, one teeny, two teenies, three teenies, four teenies. If you take two teenies here and four teenies there, well, MMTs, as a market maker MMT that you are in price action, that's six teenies. And it adds up. And it's nice. And same thing here. You teenied up one time here, add two more teenies. Now you got 8 teenies total at 49 pennies a teeny. Now, the thing about the move is how that breakout started going into the closing bell and how we did that. One of the things that we have MMTs is that if you take a look here, the $630 put, the high was 15.20. Our position is, our price, the low of the day is 12.10 and our price is 12.10. We're right to the penny on the entry. That means that we took out $3.10 of risk. And if you times that by 5 MMTs, that's $1,500 in capital risk preservation. By being wholesale down here compared to the retail print up in the morning and late in the day, we came off of that 621 handle right here. Here it is. We came off that 621.11 handle. And we also had a live video today because we had the entry down there. And then throughout the day on a very sluggish volume day, late into the close, we get that nice teeny breakout action again. Notice that the teeny up MMTs was much greater than the last teeny down. 2 teenies down, that was double the teeny expansion. 2 times the teeny expansion up versus 2 times down. This is 4 times up compared to 2. That meant that that move and these breakout bars and trading that like we do is wonderful. We also have the call contracts at $19.10 that we had bought. The last print is $19. So basically what we've done is by getting hit on the low over here of the 630 put in the money, we able to have a balance, a dollar cost risk balance in the trade. And the most important thing about MMTs is they enjoy, truly enjoy, using the SMF Market Maker platform because it's the first time that they've had success in price breakouts. And this one here was right into the closing bell. And we did that. We did the Apple one. Apple failed, and I'll follow up with you on that, everyone. We sold into the high during that breakout. What a great live entry video that was. I mean, that was excellent one. And I would recommend that all the other MMTs that were involved in that price action, that was this breakout here. But unlike Google, you could see the difference in the price action and a teeny breakout. Here, let me move it over so it's all the way in the video. I'm sorry. So here's the Apple breakout that we traded. Bam, and we sold right at the high. Even our new MMT, Lee, sold right at the high. She got the breakout. She made her penny breakout. She made her money, and she sold into the high because it started to slide half that bit. And when that sliding half that bit, it gave its whole, actually went lower than where we bought it right here and sold it up at the high. Look at it. Came down another teeny. Now look at the Google. That one there just kept burning. And that gave us a very well risk management over the weekend holding here because we own 10 of these over here. And the thing about it is if we gap up and the gap down, our stop market over here, well, we're going to lose some money. So what? As long as our ratio here in the call is much greater. That's the $610 call versus the $630 put, MMTs. And Google was a star breakout. And when we broke out, the contracts came down and hit us because we had our bid out there at 1210 all day. And there was a time that we bought them at 1270 and sold out at even money. There was another time earlier in the day that we had contract at 1410 and we had to come out at 1370 pennies, I believe. So basically what I can say is I can look for it. Here's the chart. And we took a little teeny bit of a stop market order on it, but then we ended up getting the low of the day. So we'll see what happens on Monday morning on the opening bell. Google breakout contracts at $19 here. 10.5 of the 630 in the money puts there. Late day breakout. Great job, MMTs.